Well, it seems that Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is defined despite the rebuke that he got from the party president Mallikarjun Kharge. He seems to be standing his ground, and he now seems to be also talking about that it is the TMC which is trying to finish off the Congress party, saying that he is the one who is fighting to save the Congress party in the state of West Bengal.
ঠিকই আছে, আমার বিরোধিতা নৈতিক বিরোধিতা। কংগ্রেসকে কেউ খতম করবে, আমি তাকে খাতির করব, তা তো হতে পারে না। আমার বিরোধিতার মধ্যে কোনো ব্যক্তিগত বিদ্বেষ নেই। আমার বিরোধিতা নৈতিক বিরোধিতা, আমার বিরোধিতা পশ্চিমবঙ্গে আমার পার্টিকে রক্ষা করার জন্য লড়াই। এই লড়াই আমি কোনোভাবেই থামাতে পারি না, কারণ আমি পার্টির একজন ফুট সোলজার।
Shreya, good morning. Is it more on a personal level that Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary seems to be taking on Mamata Banerjee and going away from his party line because the party seems to be standing with the TMC?
You know, of course, we have seen the Mallikarjun Kharge stand on this matter, and we have also seen that he has said that Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary will not take decision. It is the party high command who will take the decision. But remember, after that, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary very clearly yesterday have said that his fight with the TMC party in the state of West Bengal is a fight of, morality. He says that I cannot back the party, talking about TMC, which is trying to kill Congress in the state of West Bengal. So Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary very clearly says that it is Mamata Banerjee and her party TMC who is trying to defeat Congress in the state of West Bengal, and it is his responsibility to help the party, to help the Congress party grow in the state of West Bengal. He in fact says that I have no personal objection to Mamata Banerjee, I have no personal problem with her. It is the fight I am doing in the state of West Bengal for, the party, for the Congress party.
But how can it be different from the official stand of the Congress party? Shreya, that's the issue, because Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary continues to take on Mamata Banerjee.
You know, of course, that's the big issue, because we have seen that ever since, the India Alliance has been formed on the central level, there has been a division and differentiation in the opinion. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary time and again had different opinion than that of the National Congress. Remember, this is the similar question that was asked to Mallikarjun Kharge, where he has answered saying that it is the party high command who will take decision and not Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. In fact, remember, when the India Alliance did not work out in the state of West Bengal, TMC very clearly have mentioned that it is only because of one person, that is Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, as to why the coalition government could not work in the state of West Bengal. Now we see, even after the party high command talking about Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, saying that he is not the decision maker, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary continues to attack the TMC party and differ in his opinion.